Have you ever taken the perfect couples photo only to realize that you are wearing sunglasses? They're great for the sun, not always for a perfect picture. Today, I'm showing you the quickest way to remove sunglasses from any photo using Nano Banana. First, go to www.aistudio.google.com. Then launch the Nano Banana option and click the plus button. Upload the photo, the one with the two cool shades, and bring it into the workspace. Once the photo is uploaded, we need to enter a prompt. Type this: remove both sunglasses from the couple's faces. Then click the Run button. As we wait for the results, I just want to remind you to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Then YouTube will put this video before more people who need help to edit their photos. Seems like Nano Banana did the job well. Look at that. A perfect sunglass-free couple photo, safe in your gallery. That's all it takes. Just a minute to fix any photo. If you love this quick tip, try it and let me know in the comments what photo fix you want to see next. I will see you in the next video.